Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techons. So if you want to create a poll on Instagram story section, you can watch my tutorial from beginning to end. So first of all, you can open your Instagram application and complete your sign in process. So after the login process is completed, here just tap on your profile icon. Then my Android mobile camera is turning on. So you can either take a photo or you can just use a photo in your gallery. So here I try to select one image from my gallery. So once you select the image file, and in this section I have one icon which is something new. So like a square with a face. So I try to click this icon. So now we get to the some options. So in this section you can select fold. So you can click to open it. So here you can type your questions. So once you create the poll, what do you do? So just select send to icon and then select share icon. So finally you can click to done. So finally you have created the poll on Instagram story section. Then I try to check it if this method is works or not. So I press my profile icon. So this method works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily create your own poll on Instagram story section. For more videos, you can subscribe my channel Techons, and thanks for watching.